The soft morning light flickers through the curtains as Thong carefully entered the bedroom holding a tray with breakfast. His movement felt gentle, knowing full well that irritable 8 months pregnant Shankuk was not someone he wanted to upset. Shankuk was sprawled on the bed, propped up by a mountain of pillows. His rounded belly, not making even a simplest movement, has become lazy. He looked up at Thong, placed the tray in front of him. Thong, good morning, love. I made your favorite pancakes with syrup and bananas. Shankuk raised an eyebrow, inspecting the tray like Thong has mixed something weird in his pancakes. Shankuk, where's the whipped cream? You know I can't eat bananas without whipped cream, Thong. His eyes sharp, staring at Thong, on which Thong looked away, scratching his neck, mentally cursing himself. Thong, I will get it right away. He dashed out of the room, returning moment later with a can of whipped cream. Shankuk didn't even bother to thank him, focused entirely on his food. Shankuk, while taking a bite from pancake, you would think after 8 months you had known my cravings by now. Thong, I'm sorry, I know, I just forgot that. Because of the work, I was busy, Jungkookie. Still, I made you this. Jungkook. He looked at Thong boringly. So what? Did I give you a chance to not prove you are now going to love me, both of us? Did I give you a chance to not do my work? Did I give you a chance to not make me proper food? This reminds him of the day when Thong asked the same relatable question to Jungkook, and he really is feeling like burying himself under the ground. He feels horrible. Thong, he says, looking down, knowing Jungkook's eyes are on him. I'm sorry. Jungkook, for what? He quickly asked. Thong, for everything, Jungkook. Please forgive me. Jungkook, he stopped eating. Forgiveness doesn't come with force. It can be earned, Thong, not be said. Thong, I know, and I am trying to prove Cook. Jungkook, still, I don't see I am impressed to forgive you. You haven't made a good move to make me forgive you, Thong. Maybe I will live with you and our baby. But you know one thing, I can never be able to forgive with words. I want you to earn that from my heart, not from my mouth. Understand? Thong, he nodded. Still, I'm sorry, Jungkook. He rolled his eyes because he knows Thong is not gonna stop saying that word. This is his everyday routine. Jungkook, yeah, what is this? He placed the food beside, making faces because the food tasted so bad. Jungkook, are you planning to kill me, Thong? He scolded Thong. Thong, no, what are you saying? Thong was shocked and confused both. Jungkook, then why this pancake tastes bitter like rotten meat? Thong, shit. He curses under his breath. I'm sorry, but I have mixed the pills which you denied to take. I'm sorry. And he knows. At this moment, he fucked up. Jungkook looked at Thong as if he is gonna kill Thong right at this moment. Jungkook, Kim fucking Thong, you know why I said no for eating that pill? Because it tasted bitter, like rotten rabbit. Why you want me to eat that fucking shit? Jungkook screamed, making Thong to cover his ears. Thong, I'm sorry. Jungkook, what the hell are you sorry for now? Thong, I just don't know. The doctor said it's an important pill. You need to take it. So I can't take the chance. Thong also screamed. Jungkook, so you want me to die by eating that pill? Thong, you are not dying just by taking that pill. Jungkook, what if I died? Thong, you will not, because I will not let you die. Never. Jungkook's eyes went wide. He didn't say anything, processing what Thong just confesses. Little by little, Thong is improving himself, not only proving he has changed and loves Jungkook. Also, they are soon to be baby, but Jungkook can't take a chance to forgive him easily. He wanna give him more hard time, but now when Thong confesses something else out of nowhere, he can't stop his heart by fluttering. His stomach filled, the butterflies swirling in his lower belly. He lowered his gaze. Jungkook, get out. I need to eat without watching you. Thong, yeah, finish it. And he left without saying anything. Later that afternoon, Jungkook was lounging on the couch, flipping through TV channels. Thong knelt in front of him, gently massaging his swollen feet. Jungkook, don't press so hard. And my ankle too. They are killing me. Thong, nodding. Of course, anything you need. Jungkook glances down at him, a playful smile tugging at his lips. Jungkook, you have gotten good at it. Maybe I should keep you as my personal servant, even after the baby is born. Thong shook legs softly, his hand never stopping. Thong, if that's what it takes to make you happy, I will do it. Jungkook's expression softened, but he quickly masked it with a scoff. Jungkook, you should have thought about making me happy before. Don't think I have forgotten how you treated me. Thong's smile flattered, guilt clouding his eyes. Thong, I know, and I will spend the rest of my life making it up to you. For a moment, Jungkook didn't respond. His fingers absent-mindedly tracing patterns on his belly. Jungkook, murmuring, you better mean that. Thong, I do, with all my heart. One evening, Thong was assembling a crib in the room when Jungkook approached in the doorway, arms crossed. Jungkook, what's taking so long? The baby is almost here and you are still fumbling with few screws. Thong looked up, his face stricken with sweat. Thong, I am trying, Jungkook. This thing is more complicated than it looks. Jungkook, sighing. Move, let me do it. Thong. Thong panicked. No, you shouldn't be bending or lifting anything. He grabbed Jungkook from back, making him froze. Jungkook, what are you doing? He asked, voice cracked. Thong. He slowly realized what he is doing, and he slowly took his hand back, releasing Jungkook from his grip. I am sorry. Jungkook. He tried not to mash his hand with Thong as the closeness sent shivers down his spine. Jungkook, remember not to hold me like that again. It can be harmful for baby. Thong, I was just... Jungkook raised an eyebrow, his tone sharp. Jungkook, and stop complaining and finish it. Thong quickly returned to work, muttering under his breath. Thong, I don't know, pregnancy came with a side of sass. He tried to ease the environment. Jungkook, hearing him, what was that? Thong, smiling nervously. Nothing, love you. Jungkook rolled his eyes, a small smile tugging at his lips, despite hating him, that love you always just flipped to his heart, and currently he is blushing. Stepping away, he let Thong do the work. At 2 in the morning, Jungkook nudged Thong awake. Jungkook, Thong, wake up. Thong, groaning. What's wrong? Is it a baby? Jungkook, I want chocolate ice cream and fries. Thong, blinking. At 2 in the morning, Jungkook, sternly. Do you want me to cry? Because I will. Thong scrambled out of the bed, pulling on a jacket. Thong, I will get it. Just don't cry, baby, okay? Jungkook smiles, snuggling back onto the blanket. Jungkook, don't forget the pickles too. Taeyong sighed but couldn't help smiling as he headed out behind Taeyong. Jungkook, they! Suddenly, Jungkook felt his belly hurting. Taeyong. He turned it back, watching Jungkook's painful expression. He got scared. Is it a time? Jungkook, no idiot. It's just, I don't know. Carry me. Taeyong. He scanned Jungkook top to toe. Really? Jungkook. He frowned. What do you mean by that? My belly is hurting. I can't walk. Carry me. Taeyong. Okay, says Queen. And he moved to carry Jungkook in his arms. Jungkook. He smiles while humming a song, giggling, feeling in the atmosphere, his legs dangling in the air. He loves this feeling so much. Taeyong. Seems like Sass Queen is enjoying. Jungkook. Yes. Now don't talk. Don't ruin my moment. Taeyong. He shrugged. Fine, I will not. Sit here. Jungkook. Why? He paused when he felt a couch under his foot. Taeyong has placed him on the couch. Oh, that is sad news. He was enjoying being carried. He is not liking sitting on the couch. Jungkook. Meanie? He muttered under his breath, watching Taeyong making him food, but then he giggles, remembering something. Jungkook. How many times you have woken me up from my sleep and fleeced me to make me food? Now it's a karma, Mr. Kim Taeyong. Pay for your deeds. He giggles again. Taeyong. What are you giggling at? He asked it from kitchen. Jungkook. Just remembered how many times you have woken me up to make you food at night, even if it's 3 fucking a.m. And now I feel good seeing you paying for your dish. Taeyong. And now I feel very bad about that. But no, one thing. Even if I hadn't made you make me food at night, I would still have satisfied your night craving because I have realized it. I was in love with you. But being a mafia never let me fall my ego down to give this relationship a chance. But seeing you be pregnant, I would still have peppered you the same way I am doing now. Jungkook was awestruck with Taeyong's words, couldn't say anything. Again, his heart did a flip, butterflies dancing in his stomach. He lowered his head when he found blush creeping on his face. Eat it. Taeyong placed the tray of food in front of him and ruffled his ear, giving him more butterflies. He quickly looked down and took a tray, started eating the food. He asked Taeyong to make him. Taeyong smiles, knowing he is trying to hide his blush while eating like a pig he is. Taeyong, is slow, baby. Jungkook just nodded. As the due date approached, Taeyong's care for Jungkook grew more evident. He was always by his side whenever it was cooking, cleaning, or simply holding Jungkook's hand during his emotional moment. One evening, as they lay in bed, Jungkook turned to him. Jungkook, you have really changed, Taeyong, softly. I had to. I couldn't keep hurting you. Now, after I realized how much you mean to me and to our baby, Jungkook's eyes glistened with ocean tears, but he quickly looked away. Jungkook, don't think I have forgotten you completely, but you are trying, and that means something. Taeyong, smiling, I will keep trying, Jungkook, for you, for our family. Jungkook nodded, his hand resting on his belly. Jungkook, good, because I am not letting you off the hook just yet. Despite his word, Jungkook's lip curled into a faint smile, a warmth spreading through his chest as Taeyong gently kisses on his forehead. Taeyong, yes, Your Highness. The delivery room was bustling with activity. The soft hum of machine and the gentle encouragement of nurses filling the space. Jungkook lay on the hospital bed, gripping the wrist tightly as another contraction hit. His face was flushed, his forehead glistening with sweat. Taeyong stood nervously at his side, holding a cup of ice chips, his one hand and a damp towel in another. His usual confident demeanor had been placed with pure panic and cluelessness. Jungkook, through grating teeth, Taeyong, Taeyong, jumping. Yes, yes, I am here. What do you need? Jungkook, clearing. What I don't need is you just standing there like a scared bunny. Give me the ice chips already. Taeyong fumbled with the cup, nearly spilling its contents as he hurriedly to hand it to Jungkook. Taeyong nervously, here you go, love. You are doing amazing. Jungkook, after crunching an ice chip, you think saying that is going to make me forget that you are the reason I am here right now? Taeyong blinked, unsure if he should apologize or run. Taeyong, meekly, I know, but we are about to meet our baby and Jungkook, cutting him off. Oh, don't you dare use the baby cart on me right now. I am the one doing all the work here. Taeyong bit his lip, trying not to laugh at Jungkook's fiery rant. He leaned closer, dabbing Jungkook's forehead gently with the towel. Taeyong, softly, you are right and I am sorry, but you are so strong and I am so proud of you. Jungkook clear, softened ever so slightly. Through he still looked unimpressed. Jungkook, flattery won't save you. Now go get the doctor and stop hovering. Taeyong, smiling, yes sir, right away. A few hours later, a room was filled with emotion as the cries of a newborn echoed through the air. Jungkook lay by on the bed, exhausted but glowing with joy. Taeyong stood beside him, tears streaming down his face as he cradled their baby. Taeyong, whispering, look, Jungkook, they are perfect. Jungkook reached out, his finger trembling as he touches the baby's tiny hand. Jungkook, tearfully, we did it. I can't believe we did it. Taeyong leaned down, kissing Jungkook's forehead. Taeyong, no, you did it. You are incredible. Jungkook finally allowed a small smile to break through. Jungkook, softly, I guess I will forgive you for the ice chips thing, but only because this little one is so cute here. Taeyong chuckled, his heart bursting with love. Taeyong, I will take it and I will spend the rest of my life making sure you both are happy. As Jungkook held their baby for the first time, he glanced at Taeyong with a look that was both tired and full of love. Jungkook, teasing, just remember you owe me a lifetime supply of ice chips for this. Taeyong, grinning, anything for you, love, anything. Jungkook came downstairs dressing in a pretty dress. Taeyong was sitting on the couch with his baby. He watched Jungkook coming downstairs. He watches him with confusion. Taeyong, where are you going? He asked confusedly. Jungkook, going to meet someone? Jungkook flipped his hair, holding a purse delicately. Taeyong, Jungkook, you are not going anywhere. Look at the baby, he's crying. Jungkook, he arches a brow. So, this baby is currently your responsibility. Taeyong, you promised me you will be a good husband. Now, take care of the baby. Taeyong, but Jungkook, he won't sleep without you. Please. Jungkook smiles. Taeyong, what's so funny? Jungkook, he lightly flickers Taeyong's chin. It feels good to see you. Saying please. He turned it and started walking toward the door. Taeyong, Jungkook, wait, at least tell me the location. Jungkook, so that you can run my outing? No hell. He again flipped his hair, Cecily walking out. Taeyong, fuck, what is going on in his mind? He runs his hand through his ear. Thong, I need to know where he is going. He looked down at the baby. Thong, baby, we are going out for the first time. Promise me you won't cry. Because if he hears you, he will be too mad. Okay? His baby just giggles, looking at him. Thong, my cutie pie, just say yes. Say yes. Does Thong knows? A 3-month-old baby can't talk. Why? Oh no, I almost forgot. And he runs out, placing his son on the back seat. Currently, he saw Jungkook getting inside the car, taxi, and when the taxi started, he followed the taxi with his car, which leads him to the cafe. Where Jungkook got out of the taxi. Now, going inside, Taeyong handed his keys to the car and went inside the cafe while holding his baby securely following Jungkook. Jungkook sat in a corner table holding a cup of tea. Across from him is young Namjoon, leaning forward, his expression serious. Namjoon, I'm just saying Jungkook, you have been through a lot. If you are not happy with Taeyong, maybe it's time to reevaluate things. Jungkook said, turning a hand through his hair. Jungkook, young is not that simple. I don't know what to feel sometimes. Things have been hard, but Namjoon interrupted. His voice soft but firm. Namjoon, you deserve to be happy, Jungkook. Don't say in something just because you feel obligated. Unbeknown to them, Taeyong stood nearby, frozen in place, holding their baby in his arms. He had been very sick when Jungkook stormed out earlier, ignoring his pleas to stay home. Following him had seemed like the only option, but now hearing the conversation, his chest tightened painfully. Taeyong thought, obligated? Is that all I am to him now? Just an obligation? The baby began to cry, snapping everyone's attention. Jungkook turned his head sharply, recognizing the sound immediately, but when he looked at the direction, the baby wasn't there. Taeyong took a deep breath, hiding himself behind the table, trying to calm his crying baby, while showing him his favorite toy. Taeyong, yeah, baby. This is yours. Shh, don't cry. Don't let Mama know we are here. Shh, don't. It's a secret, baby. Shh. Taeyong tried to calm the baby while rocking him on his leg, which somehow worked. Taeyong, wow, that's my baby. Now shh. He is a good boy. My baby is a good boy. He hugged his baby close to his chest. Jungkook, to Namjoon, that's. He stood up and tried to follow the faint smell of a baby powder, and that's how he found Taeyong sitting on the ground. Jungkook, Taeyong? Taeyong's eyes widened, his face pale, his eyes glistening with unshed tears. Jungkook's heart sunk. Jungkook, Taeyong? This time his voice soft, and Taeyong knows there is no escape, so he gets up. Taeyong looked at him, his voice trembling but determined. Taeyong, so this is what you have been thinking, That I am just an obligation to you? That you would rather give Namjoon Young a chance? This was mocking, but his eyes glistening with tears for the first time in his whole life. Jungkook's eyes widened in shock. Jungkook, what? No, that's not what I mean at all. Taeyong, bitterly. Then, what was that conversation about, Jungkook? I followed you here because I was worried about you. And this is what I hear? Namjoon stood up, trying to interrupt. Namjoon, Taeyong, it's not what it sounds like. I was just. Taeyong, cutting him off. Stay out of this, Young. This is between me and my husband. The baby cries grew louder, and Taeyong instinctively started to rock them. His movement mechanical. Jungkook, desperate. Tai, listen to me. I wasn't saying I don't love you. I was talking about how hard things have been lately. But I never said I wanted anyone else. Thong, voice cracking. Then why didn't you just tell me that at home? Why did you have to come here and talk to Namjoon Young about us instead of talking to me? Jungkook. Jungkook stepped back closer, his eyes bleeding. At least hear me, Tae. Thong, answer me only one thing. Jungkook watches him curiously, eyes pouring tears. Are you not happy in this relationship? Jungkook. Jungkook can't answer. He was stuck in his mind. His mind froze. I don't. Thong. That's it. Jungkook, you don't need to answer. He glares once at Namjoon. I know the answer. And he left from there, holding his baby in his hand.